Hello. Where am I? I'm not in the kitchen. I thought this was a recipe video. Well, I'm actually on the way to the grocery store. I'm gonna pick up some ingredients for eggs on a cloud, or in a cloud, depending on how I make them. I'm trying to get them on a cloud. And I'm getting a little cardio in the process. So basically, I'm killing two birds with one stone. But like my wife said, that saying is a little bit dark when you think about it. So maybe for today, I'll say I'm watering two plants with one hose. All right, let's grab these ingredients and let's make this recipe a reality. You're gonna wanna go ahead and begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Separate the eggs, putting the whites in one bowl and the yolks in another. Go ahead and begin whisking the egg whites until they're foamy. In order to have them really foamy, we recommend having your eggs out and at room temperature as you begin. But if not, no worries, it'll just take a little longer. So go ahead and whisk, whisk, whisk until they're nice and foamy, then add your dash of salt. Go ahead and keep whisking more until they're nice and firm. Next, what you're gonna wanna do is fold in the 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Go ahead and take your egg cloud and spoon it onto your pan. Also, don't forget the parchment paper and the non-stick spray, and spoon them one at a time into mounds. Go ahead and use your spoon to make yolk-size holes in the center of each of your clouds. Now, go ahead and put it in your oven and bake just until it starts to turn a little bit golden. It's gonna take about 5 minutes. Once you take them out, go ahead and put each of your yolks into the center of your cloud. Some of them are gonna turn out good, some of them, like you can see here, may turn out not so good. Well, I gave it a shot. Once you're finished doing that, put it back into the oven and cook it for about 8 minutes. They should be nice and golden brown. So go ahead and pull those bad boys out and garnish them with chives. Oh yeah, all wrapped up. Ooh, look at how pretty they are, but looks aren't everything. So we gotta take a bite, see how these taste. Oh yeah, buff dudes approved. These are damn tasty, relatively easy to make, and even though they look a little fancy, don't let it fool you. They taste really good as well. Do this.